Omunene ase wizara y'Obochenu Mary Muthoni nigakwanire kuganio kukororo gwokoenekia obasemyango bwatwa bule ucha asa abananchi igoro y'ebikore byogwita anemono ase gati y'abasacha
Kagokwana somwega bwa matanga Matthew Njiru w'emyaka 53 uyosirete obogima bwaya sogwita umo eshimiwa Muthoni nigatebira Obochenu Bw'Obongo nigoboganeire kurigererirwa soboime eriogokeya ebikore bune biga byogwita
trend, and especially here in Kirinyaga County, when we see people killing themselves, there are rape cases, and there's a lot of stealing that is happening from farm produce to cash crops. And I think it is important to note that issues to do with mental health are real. So I am appealing and calling upon individuals, family members, community to ensure that if there are changes in behavior of our family members and our friends, let us take action, let us speak to them, let us take them to hospital, because mental health is illness. Mental health is not a condition that will just go away. It is a condition that can be treated. And I want to tell members of the public that with the Social Health Authority, we have a package for mental health, can be taken care of at the primary health care, and it would be important for the community to take this up seriously. It's in the kiosks, then let the food handlers also have the food handlers must have inspection certificates. We're actually in the Christmas period. We are in the festivities season and mood. And my plea to the members of public is to ensure that foodborne diseases do not occur in our families, in our communities, in our household. And how does foodborne diseases come? You will get a foodborne disease out of eating contaminated food, out of eating meat that is not inspected and it is contaminated, out of eating leftover foods, that food that is not heated or is not boiled.